Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Slightly different one today. We're not on any boat. This is I'm actually sat on my sofa at home. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video just to say a massive thank you, and that's going to be a wrap from us for 2024. So yeah, just want to say a massive thank you. Every single person that's liked all of these videos, everyone who's left a comment, they've been really handy, great little tips and tricks, especially as we go into next year for 2025. And a huge thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Really helps me out, really helps push the videos up in the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, that's going to be us. We're going to take a break for winter. It's not really the time of year to be doing walkthroughs on boats, as they tend to go into maintenance, tend to get wrapped up and stored as the weather tends to come in. So we're going to take a break. What we're going to do during winter, we're going to focus more on the website, get that optimized, see if we can do a little bit of maintenance towards that, and see if we can even get a couple more brokers on board. So by all means, if you're a brokerage, you're watching this video today, please feel free to reach out. My email, it should be in the bio on the YouTube channel. If not, head over to our website, boatsmarketplace.co.uk, and there should be an email on there to reach me. But yeah, as for what you guys should do while we're gone, is we work quite closely with Aquaholic. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, head over to Aquaholic. He does a very similar thing, probably in a little bit different detail to what I do. Or even, we work quite closely as well with boats.co.uk, so head over to their YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a link for both of those channels in the description below. But yeah, that's going to be it. I'm probably not going to see you guys before Christmas, so I hope you all have an absolute wonderful Christmas. It's not long now. And I hope you have a happy new year, and we'll see you all, hopefully, fingers crossed, April, if the weather picks up in time. But yeah, you never know with the UK. So I hope you all have a wonderful winter, and we'll see you next year. Thank you so much, everybody. Goodbye.